Enjoy is brought to you by Gondor Cosmetics and Société Générale Ghana. Enjoy.
The Ghana Sailing Club organized their annual regatta from Ada to Sugakope. Nissan and Mercury proudly sponsored the event.
Today we are taking you away from the hustle and bustle of the city and bringing you on a boat ride on the Volta Lake. We're joining some friends sailing in a competition called the Regatta. As you know, as Ghanaians, our pastimes include football, music, politics, and even telenovelas. Well, today we are changing the scene.
A regatta is a series of boat races. The term usually describes racing events of rowed or sailed watercraft, although powerboats are also called regattas. "13 boats are used in the competition. Types of boats are hobby carts and monohulls. A monohull is a type of boat having only one hull, unlike multi-hulled boats which can have 2 or more individual hulls connected to one another. The earliest hulls were simple logs, but these were generally unstable and tended to roll over. The final point was Subi Island.
They told me that the place was very nice, so I really...
You wanted to win?
Fast, yeah.
But you did really good. I mean, the two of you make a very good team, I see.
Yes.
But it was working
so
very
that's very
hard.
important. That's very important, yes.
I spoke with Nailin Thomas, who came in 3rd position.
Tell me, what was the experience like for you?
Awesome. Very nice. Yes, very nice.
And you were what, 4th, 2nd? 3rd? How was the experience?
Oh, we enjoyed it. It was very nice.
So you came in what, 4th, 5th, 2nd?
Oh, number 4, I think. Yeah. And we make a new record.
Oh, really?
Our total age is 144 this year. Next year we will be 146 together here. My crew.
144 years.
Wow. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Aside from competition, there were plenty of good food and refreshment to go around. Subi Akkad, the managing director of Nissan and the owner of the island, expressed his excitement.
The regatta has been going on for a long time, but about 8 years ago when I found out about it and we were starting to get into the marine industry, marine engines with Mercury, I thought it was a good idea to support the sale and the idea of sailing to bring it up in Ghana because it's not a big event. Next year we were going to introduce a race between all the fishermen and the one who will win will get maybe an outboard motor. We haven't decided that.
You haven't decided yet.
Congratulations for the 15 boats who made it, and on behalf of Auto Parts Limited, we are the importers of those beautiful machines. And Nissan, I want to thank the Sailing Club in Ada.
So we should greet the presences of Enjoy Yakra. I want to announce it, the general winners. Number 3, Neil and Roman. Number 2, David and Alicia. And now we have the general winner of all the competition. Number 1, Oliver and Valerie.
Man, it's been a wonderful day. Great sailing, wonderful people and some great food, and a beautiful island. Wow, what an episode of Enjoy.
This program has been sponsored by Gandor Cosmetics and Societe Generale Ghana.
Enjoy.